Don't get ghosted by a buyer. Let's break down why your listing better deliver in today's market. Otherwise, buyers will ghost you. Hi, I'm Nancy Arnold. Today's buyers are picky. First, they're not browsing, they're judging. Every home is under the microscope. And here's what they're analyzing the second they walk in or scroll online. Is the layout open? Or does it feel like a maze from 1994? Are there updates, or are we talking beige tile and brass fixtures? And don't even mention popcorn ceilings. Today's buyers are savvy and educated. They've seen what's possible on social media. So if your house doesn't compete visually and emotionally, they're out. Next, they're buying a lifestyle, not just a house. Buyers care about how the space feels. Will it accommodate a home office, a backyard that screams summer barbecue, a smart thermostat, maybe solar panels and EV charging? The pickiest buyers buy with emotion first and justify it with logic later. If they don't feel it within 30 seconds, there will be no offer, no second showing, and no chance. Remember, staging, lighting, and telling a story matters. They want all the feels when they walk in the door. Yes, it's competitive, but as a seller, it's your time to showcase your property. And if you think you don't need video, staging, or social media advertising, you're wrong. Mediocre listings sit. I'll show you exactly how I market homes to win the attention of even the most selective, luxury-minded, and pickiest buyers. So if you're even thinking about selling now, 6 months from now, or even next year, don't wait. Let's connect. I've helped plenty of sellers over the years, and that has given me an unmatched understanding of what buyers are looking for. I will make sure you're set up to make a smart and confident move when the time is right for you. I'm Nancy Arnold with Reinhart Realtors.